The Sunshine Girls recorded a historic win over world number 1 Australia to finish top of Pool A at the Commonwealth Games this morning. The Jamaicans defeated Australia 57-55 to record their first ever win over Australia at a major championships as they look towards this weekend's semi-finals. The Jamaicans were outscored 13-14 in the first quarter, but they rallied in the second as the teams matched each other goal for goal at 16 apiece. But the Australians still held a 20-19 lead at the halfway stage. Australia opened a 6-goal gap at the end of the third as they outplayed the Jamaicans 16-11. However, the Sunshine Girls produced their best performance of the night in the fourth quarter as they overturned the deficit for a 17-9 run. Captain Janelle Fowler once again led the scoring for Jamaica, netting 47 goals, some 50 attempts. The Sunshine Girls will face New Zealand in the semi-finals on Saturday after they were beaten by England, who topped Pool B, and will face Australia in the day's other semi-final.